starting all of the steps in making our very own virgin coconut oil at home. We need to wash our hands thoroughly. These are the following materials that we need in our activity: grated coconut, stainless steel basin, water, funnel, ladle, cheesecloth, glass bottle, transparent plastic containers. For the first extraction of coconut milk, we need to add some water. Extract the milk from the grated coconut meat by hand using cheesecloth. Prepare the coconut residue or sapple for the second round extraction. Extract the milk from the coconut residue or sapple for the second round.
Few moments later.
These are the first and second extraction of coconut milk. Mix well these two for 10 minutes.
More moments later.
After mixing, filter the milk extracts to remove remaining particles of coconut residue. Place the coconut milk extract in clean fermentation containers. Cover the containers loosely. Settle them for 24 hours.
24 hours later.
We could visibly see that there are already layers: fermented curds, separated oil, fermented cocoa cider milk, gummy sediments. We will separate the oil and the fermented curd by using spoon to scoop the oil off the top. We should also filter the virgin coconut oil to remove adhering particles of fermented curd. oil is clear, it means that it is a class of VCO. Virgin coconut oil. The recommended packaging and storage for VCO is glass bottle.